Hello nationwide and worldwide. Kumusta po kayo? Ano po ba ang mga kalagayan ninyo ngayon? Nasaan ba kayo sa buong mundo? Kaya kumusta? And how are you? How are you to everyone of us? Okay, so now it's almost 5 a.m. already. I finished na to make the nuggets. I prepare nuggets for Sisi and also the white rice for the school, for the lunch box. And this one, I have no milk now. Yesterday, no more milk, and now also no more milk. If I go to supermarket, so yeah, I can buy milk and prepare some cheese. This one, can put all here because I prepare like this one because I put this one. There is salad pa naman. And now is Wednesday already. Tomorrow, Thursday, last day of the school na. Okay, and the carrots. So, we put that one hand because in the talaga. You cannot use naman. She cannot use naman all this one. So, half. Sway lang naman yan. I-slice ko lang. Kaya ganun. Kaya nilalagay ko lang siya talaga sa isang para sa kanya. Araw-araw, in 1 week kumbaga. In 1 week, kasi nga hindi buong hindi naman buong carrots makain niya. At saka, maliban sa cucumber. Ang cucumber, everyday naman siya kakain. Pagkatapos ng school, kain niya ng kain din, bang hihingi. Ang pag sa school lang, lalagay ko dito kasi yan. Lalagay ko dito, diba? Diba nakikita niyo? Pag nag-prepare na ako ng kaya ganun. Kaya hindi naman pwedeng Tsaka hindi, minimum lang naman yun, 4 days. 4 days. It's not, it's still good pa naman. Hindi naman siya. At saka tanga naman din ako kung hindi ko, kung ilalagay ko pa, gagamit pa. Kung medyo malambot-lambot na, hindi na. Gawing salad ko na lang. Parang ganun. Kailangan maayos. Maano pa siya maganda. Tsaka ito nilagay ko ng plastic niya para cover, para hindi kasi yun na lang yung cheese namin. At saka ito. Kaya ngayon, tingnan nyo. Tinatry ko talaga kasi minsan kasi hindi niya kinakain. Kaya pinipilit ko pag sa bahay. Kaya dinadala ko doon sa school para doon. Nagawa niya snacks o kaya sila friends niya doon maglalaro sa makakain ng okay? Para siguro pag malaki na siya, matuto na siya Pero sa ngayon pa kasi minsan pag ayaw talaga niya mahihirapan na ako hindi gaya talaga before that we're only 1 year old, 2 years old, she's 3 months, 4 months, like that one. Until 3 years. So I can give him some food. It's easy. She ate only she ate. She don't know how to say no, I don't like now. But when start from 4 years old to above na until now, sino na talaga. To sino, I don't want sometimes, the strawberry. She don't want to eat because hamod. Like that one, she don't like daw. But sometimes if the strawberry is sweet, so, yun, kumakain yun. Kaya ganun talaga siguro, kasi nga malaki na. Kaya hindi mo na siya pwedeng utusan. Hindi mo na pwedeng i-dictate lagi. Kainin mo kasi natuto na siyang umayaw. At saka, egg is everyday talaga yan. Pinapakain ko kay Sisi. Everyday. At saka banana, kaso nga wala na kaming banana. We have no more banana. At saka ang banana, hindi mo pwede siyang, kahit ilagay mo siya sa rep, hindi mo magandang yan in 1 week. Everyday. Okay, tama na yun. Minimum 1 week, finish na yan. Kasi ako, pag ayaw na kasi niya, lalo na pag pasok na sa niya na test is not good, sabihin agad niya, test is not good, I don't like it. So, what I do, diba? So, ganun talaga. Tingnan mo yung cake ko rin, ako lang, kumakain yan, at saka si Sisi. Pero si Sisi, half lang yan. half in slice lang or one slice only. Mostly ako talaga yan. Okay, so now, thank you again. Thank you nationwide and worldwide. Thank you to support my YouTube channel. Thank you to subscribe me, and I wish you subscribe me again and you support to watch kalimutan naman, to watch my simple video here that I'm as a housemaid here in Baghdad, Iraq City, New City, Baghdad, Iraq. Yeah, thank you again. Shout out to all of us nationwide and worldwide. I'm repeating to say thank you every day that one. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, thank you for the comments. Thank you in everything talaga. Okay, buong angkan ng mga families ko, both side ng nanay at tatay ko. Okay, at saka nationwide and worldwide. Parang ganon. Walang magagawa talaga sa buhay. Bawat salita na lang ganito. Okay lang naman din. Basta ang mahalaga, we are good health. Love your family, especially to your parents. Meron man kayong parents o wala, basta take care yourself. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye. Saan ko ba ikukuha yung endings of my cook? Okay? Again, there's the kitchen. Okay, the kitchen. Ganito talaga siya. Pag-start na ako ng cooking. Pag nandito na ako sa kusina ko. Okay. Yela. Bye. God bless us all. Keep safe lagi.